Hi, in this episode, we will see how to download Xcode and install Xcode for our Flutter development. So if we go to any browser and search Xcode, then we'll be in this type of page, Xcode. And if we click here, then we'll go to the Xcode 11 page. Right now, Xcode 11 is available. When it will update, you'll see there is change. But here, you'll you will not find any download link. So better to search by typing download Xcode. So once you type here, then you will find this type of page. So Xcode on Mac App Store. Okay, so we have to go there. So I'm going there, and from here, it will ask me to open App Store. And if we click here, then it will open the App Store. In this way, actually, we can get the Xcode. I mean, download the Xcode, and after that, we can install. There is another way you can search instead of browser. I'm closing everything. I don't need this thing, and I'm going to click Apple icon and then App Store. From here, we have to search Xcode. Once we type Xcode, then we have to hit return key and Xcode will be there. So this is the Xcode we need to download. So to download it, at first we need to click on the get, and then we have to click on install, and it will start installing. Then we have to put our Apple ID and password. I'm typing my Apple ID and password here. Once I finish typing the password and ID, we have to click on get button to start the installation. It will verify, and if the password is okay, then it will start installation. It will take some time. It takes like 10 to 20 minutes based on the internet bandwidth. Once the download and install is finished, then I'll be back again. Once the Xcode is installed successfully, then you will see this type of thing like open. You can click here to open Xcode, or you can go from spotlight search by holding command key and spacebar together. Then here you can type Xcode, and you'll see the Xcode is there. From here you can double click over there to open Xcode. So once you double click over there, Xcode will open very soon. So at the beginning, this is for the first time we are trying to open Xcode. That's why it is showing that we need to agree the license agreement. So I'm going to click on agree this button. Once I click agree button, then it is asking me the password of this computer or iMac. So I'm typing the admin username and password. This is my username, and I'm typing the password. Once I type the password, then I have to hit OK button, and then it will start installing the components for Xcode. Just wait few more minutes to finish the installation of those components. Once the components installation is finished, then we will start doing the rest of the video tutorial again. Once you finish the installation, then you will be in this page. That means your Xcode installation is complete. Now let's go back to the Flutter page. So here for Xcode, they mentioned that Xcode install Xcode, install the latest stable version of Xcode, which we did completed. Then we need to run these two lines of command in our terminal. So let's close this thing. We don't need it right now. So I'm going to close this thing, and I'm opening terminal by hitting command, holding command key and press space, and then I will type terminal, and I open the terminal. After opening the terminal, I have to execute this command. So I'm copying the whole line, right click, then copy, and then I'm putting it here, and I'm executing this command by hitting the return key. It is asking me the password because it is a sudo command, sudo, for admin privilege. So I'm typing the password. You will not see anything because this is hidden, the password, when I'm typing. So once I hit enter, then it will execute the command, and it is successfully executed the command. And then there's another command, this line. So we can type it here and then hit return key. Once you hit return key, that means the Xcode installation is complete successfully, and also the command line tool for Xcode is completed already. Okay, so now we have one more step. So make sure Xcode license agreement is signed by either opening Xcode once and confirming, or running sudo. This is this command. You can also run this command by typing here, or also you can open the Xcode and you can agree the license agreement. So in this way you can easily install Xcode, and you can start getting ready for your Flutter development. In this next video tutorial we'll see how to set up the iOS simulator. Thank you for watching that video.